Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I am with few of the stuff for an unboxing. I have bought one ratchet set which is very useful toolkit. It's a very basic and cheap one, but I felt the quality is quite better apart from the main ratchet which we use. And I have bought Tapari Allen key set, and where I felt like Allen key mainly used for few of the parts, but still it's a useful thing, which so I bought it. And I'm gonna make the unboxing of this. And first of all, I thank you everyone for helping me in reaching 37,000 plus subscribers. I need your continuous support for my all videos and my another channel also. One is Abhilash VR, another one is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club. I'm gonna leave the the link at the description below. So please do click on that, check out my video, and help me in reaching a good number of subscribers and making a better videos. And I need your feedback and suggestion so I can improve the way videos which I make. So coming to the point, it's time for an unboxing. So this I have bought it from Amazon. I have opened the seal, but still I'm gonna show you how actually it looks. So this is how the package is. Let me remove this. This is the box which I've got. Sorry, yeah, this is the one. So this has 40 pieces, a combination of socket set. It says 1.4 inches and 3.8 drive set and other combinations. I'm going to open this and I'm going to show you what all are available in this. Let me just take the camera a little closer. So I think this is more than enough, or I have to, yeah, okay, it's better now. So guys, you can see this is the set. Okay. So I'm gonna open this cover. The plastic of the set is not that great, good quality, but still the tools I felt it's a little better. So this is the entire shit. Sorry. Everything is in place. So this is the entire set. You can see the sockets, and this is the main ratchet. Got one screwdriver kind of thing for using the ratchet. This is an extension, and this is a bigger one. So this is mainly used for the smaller one. So this is how you can tight and like loose or tight. You can use it for almost everything. Don't know how to use this. Okay, this is an extension, I think, for the smaller ones. Yes, so this is how I can use for smaller one. This is an extension. Or apart from that, I can yeah, you can see there are a few smaller bits. For that I can use this extension, and for the bigger bits I can directly place this and tight it. So main is this. This is one side mobile, and few has a lock over here. You can do it either right or left. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. To remove, this is to tight. Okay, both the options are here. You can lock, whether you want to tight or you want to loose. this one. You can just use this, remove. This is too tight, so this option is available over here, and it's not the best quality like other companies, Tapari and everything, but it's good quality. It's worth of paying the money. I've paid it 400 something, 450, around 500 rupees which I paid. Okay, I've got the invoice. Yeah, I've paid 498 rupees, which is almost 500. So 500 rupees for this kit, it's fine, we can pay this, but I don't know how strong these bits are, but 500 rupees for this, it's really worth of paying it, because the quality is average, but until I use it I'll not be able to tell you. And this was the quick unboxing of this okay, let me fix it up. So guys, it was just a quick unboxing of this, so hope you guys found this informative, so you can also buy this. I'm gonna leave the link, and this is the brand of this toolkit. There are multiple brands, and this is okay, fine, this, even though it's a made in China item, but easily you can carry it in your backpack or a saddle bag while traveling. So this will help in most of the time, even though not all these pockets are used, but still you can carry this. I think it may weight around 1.5 kg, not more than that, because entire bits of metal. So that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as I request you, please help me in uploading more and more video, and do support and subscribe my channel, like both my channel Abhilash VR and Royal Legend Motorcycle Club, so I can improve, and it's a motivation which I get. And even this item was bought from my YouTube earning itself, so whatever I purchase from my ride or a gear, whatever, it's all from you guys. So it's like you guys have helped me in getting this. It's like you guys have given me all this. Thank you so much. So catch you in my next video. Till that, stay tuned.